Hey, there's one person watching.
Oh, you haven't even said hello.
Hello, clicky fans of the world.
Hello. Of the world. There's only one person watching.
If you're watching this,
Hey, literally Layla. Oh,
raise
there's
the
47 now.
Oh, geez, that bumped up. If you're watching this, raise the roof. And
if you're excited that we're doing a clicky YOUNOW, do the bay sign, the pink bay sign. What do you mean, Ricky? Ugh, legit goals. I was literally watching y'all's videos on YouTube. What video? Is there a video of us together?
I didn't know that was. Oh, snap.
Oh, snap.
Bay.
Oh, 5 people, bay.
She bay.
That was funny.
Yeah.
Goals. Beautiful. Yay. Say hi. Oh, I didn't see. Oh, we're trending.
I just
Ace.
tweeted it. Your dad will be tuning in.
Thank
Hey,
you.
Dad.
He
How's
won't. He's
your
actually out of the bed. He won't be tuning in.
You guys are relationship goals. Thanks.
Thank you.
What do you mean? I love you, Robin.
Hey, you should tell the fans what we're doing when we get back.
Oh, we're gonna film the boyfriend tag.
Raise the roof.
I love you, Caitlin. Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Mm.
How excited are you? Woo! Like that.